I have made some changes, so just confirm me, because that could be a network issue. Perfect. So guys, I'll look forward for your confirmation. Please confirm me in the comment section if audio is clear now. Okay, so as I can see that so many traders have already joined, so without wasting any time, let's kick off the session. So guys, welcome again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day, and I will be helping you with all your trading concern. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the confirmation. So as most of the traders, they might be aware that every now and then Olymptrade is used to conduct some session where we are trying to help our traders in their trading concerns. So this is our official channel. Make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, so you will be getting a confirmation that we are live, and if you have any doubt, any question, that is your place. You can ask about that. Okay, so the screen which is visible to you, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. There is a possibility that some of my traders, some of my dear ones, they are using the mobile application, so the interface might be different for you guys. But one thing I can assure you, that all the technicals which I am going to apply, everything is available on your mobile device also. The place of the button can be here and there, but everything is available. So how to apply the strategy, let's talk about that one, then we will keep on proceeding ahead. Guys, keep on commenting, keep on dropping your doubts, your question, queries. I will be coming to your comment section also, so nothing to worry. I will take care of each and every doubt of yours. Okay, so there is a tower. We can see that the last button with the name of technical analysis in the shape of alphabet A. So just click on that one. Those who are using the mobile application, the same button is going to be visible somewhere on the top. On the top, you will be able to see your account balance. Just below that, asset name, and just right to that. Once you click on that one, click open the strategy button. And on the top, you will be able to see SMART RSI that can be used for FTT, which means fixed time trading mode. Now, there might be some traders, for those this strategy might not be unlocked for now. So guys, I'm so sorry for that, but just slowly and gradually keep on moving on the traders way. One day this strategy will also be unlocked for you. So I will teach you that how it works. And for those who want to use it manually, so you can apply RSI. So I will also teach you that how the RSI works and how RSI is going to help you. So you can work with that for now. Try to work on your technicals, and once you will reach on that specific level, once the SMART RSI will get unlocked, of course you are most welcome to use. Once I'll click on the strategy, a small piece of introduction is mentioned here, that how this RSI works, that can be used for 5-second trades. So no extra analysis is required. All you just need to follow the signals. Let me show you that how this strategy works. Once I'll click on the strategy, so you can see that everything is already lined up on my screen. So 5-second chart time frame has been applied automatically, even though initially it was the same. But in case if you are switching from any another time frame, chart time frame, so that will directly take it to 5 seconds. How the signals are going to get formed, I will be talking about that also. But before coming to that thing, guys, one more piece of information. See, these are just some mathematical calculation based technical tools, nothing else. So there is a possibility that you might be facing some negative results. There are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, also work on your money management and risk management. Do not feel that this strategy is a system generated, so system is generating link for you, so the signals for you, so there will be 100% accuracy, so you are supposed to invest complete capital in a single trade. Do not, please avoid this thing, because even though if it is system generated, still it is just mathematical calculation based. That's it. Okay, so do not invest everything in a single trade. Now let me talk about that how this strategy works. So when you are going to use this strategy, so you are going to get the pop-ups from this system itself. So whenever you see, so there is one pop-up, it's showing 5-second down trade. You will be getting a confirmation here also and here also. So whichever you want to pick, like if you want a bigger screen, just close this one. You can just opt for the SMART RSI signal here, or you can follow this one. Now how these signals are getting formed, and like when you will be getting an idea that there can be a signal. So in RSI, when you are using RSI, so you can observe that there are three different levels: 70, 50 and 30. This piece of information is basically for those traders, those who do not have access to the smart RSI and still they want to use some technicals, so they can use the normal RSI. So I'm just teaching you that how the normal RSI works, and smart RSI is generating signal on the basis of that. Okay, so in this RSI, as we have already discussed, so there are three levels: 70, 50 and 30. So we are going to talk about the upper level, which is 70, and the bottom level, which is 30 initially in the beginning. So what these levels means, so the top level, that is known as the overbought zone, and the bottom one is known as the oversold zone. This is the mid level. So how this overbought and oversold zone going to help you, I will teach you that now. So whenever the market is moving into any specific direction, or market is moving to the overbought zone or in the oversold zone, then we can expect that there can be some price correction to keep the market stable, or just to keep the price in a specific range, or just to keep it, like make it an example like affordable, just to hold the price in a specific manner. So there can be a price correction. So it means that if this blue line is crossing over this red line in the upward direction, like this recently it did, or it is moving into the downward direction and cross over the green line, so we can assume that there can be a price correction. So if the prices keep on raising, so the price correction means that there will be some downfall in the price, or if the prices keep on decreasing, so there can be increase in the price. So at that time, once there will be some price correction happening into the market, so we will get a pop-up, or with the help of RSI we will get a confirmation that now the market can move into the opposite direction. I mean to say, RSI is a trend reversal indicator, or which is going to help you, trend reversal oscillator, which is going to help you that when the market can change the moment, when the market can change its direction, and you will take the benefit of that change in the movement, and you will open a trade. So I mean to say that if the market is keep on going into upward direction, we will wait for the price correction, means a price will start dropping, and then we will open a trade in the downward direction. So see, as you can see that there was a signal in the downward direction. So how you can use this strategy, what should be the trade time frame? So if you are using it for 5 seconds, you can use for a single candle also. But if you talk about me, I am using this strategy for minimum to minimum 3 candles if the chart time frame is less than 1 minute. If I am increasing the chart time frame to 1 minute or more than 1 minute, then I am taking trade for minimum 2 candles. You can use it for 1 candle also, but I'll suggest better to go for 3 candles if you're using for less than a minute. Okay, so now I will show you that how its strategy works. So initially, if you are applying the smart RSIs, then of course whenever the market will move to the overbought or oversold zone, so there will be some price correction, and whenever you will find that market is already in this zone, so you can expect a signal sooner or later, and once there is a pop-up, you can open a trade. Now one more thing guys, with this strategy, if you are using it for a very short time frame, you should be quick enough. It's not like that you will wait, okay, signal is there, should I take a trade, whether I should pick the amount, or this should be the amount, or this should be the time frame. You should be all set to take a trade. So if you observe my screen, so what I have done, I have already put the amount, I have opened a couple of assets, I have opened all those assets on which we can open a trade less than 1 minute, and I have already selected the trade duration also. So everything is all set. Once the signal is there, I will just click on the button and bang, trade will be there. Now it's a very aggressive strategy, back-to-back signals are going to be there, so do not need to fall for the signals which is quite old, or like 2 or 3 seconds has already passed. Just wait for the signal. Once it's there, just open the trade. Now see, we will try to open a trade on this candle. Once any confirmation, okay, so signal is there, we have opened a trade in the upward direction. Let's see if the trade go positive or negative, and I will just keep on shuffling my cards. I will keep on shuffling my assets also. Now guys, I am just about to, I have already taken a couple of trades, but I am just about to start the live trading aggressively. But so before coming to that, some important information for you guys. First one, guys, even though this session is a live session, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, so considering that thing, there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds or a minute. So if you will try to copy trade, so that can lead to some negative results. So please guys, avoid copy trading. Just focus on the strategy, learn it first. Once you will be having a hold on that one, then feel free to trade on that with that. Okay, so there is again a reversal and market is, so this trade is negative. No worries. Second thing, all the trades which I am going to take or I have taken in the past, everything is I am the one who is responsible for everything, and everything is based on my experience and my practice. Okay, so let's start live trading today. And one last thing, guys, this is a financial market, so there is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So please consider that thing. Do not start investing without learning. Please make sure you invest enough time also to learn your skills, to enhance your skills, and after that start investing, because there is a possibility of partial loss or fully capital loss. So please make sure you sharpen your skills first and then start making investments. Okay, so let's kick off some live trading. I will be taking a couple of trades, and after that I will be also talking about your all your doubts and everything, all your concerns. Okay, so guys, make sure you keep on commenting your doubts, and in the meantime please let me know if any of you have used this strategy in the past, and if they know that how this what was the experience, if they want to share something, because that is sometimes that input, that information is very important or very useful for another traders. So guys, please make sure you share your experience also if you have used it, and feel free, keep on commenting in the comment section. Let me know from where you are listening my voice, from where you have joined. So that is very fascinating for me, that to know that so far there is someone who is listening my voice and I am trying to help him. So just try to explain yourself. Let me know from where you have joined and what is your experience on this strategy if you have used. Okay, just fill up the comment section, just fill it up. Make it hard for me to read all the comments, but I will make sure I will read all of them. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the last two trades which we have taken, those went negative. Nothing to worry. We will keep on knocking the different assets. We will keep on shuffling our assets, and we will try to make some profits. Okay, so the market is already in this oversold zone, expecting that there will be a signal short. Okay, so I just missed the signal. No worries. Let's move to the another asset. Okay, so market is again in this asset. If I talk about in AUD versus JPY, the market is in oversold zone. Let's see if any signal is going to be there, and I can assume that the market is not having that much aggressive trend. So let's remove this asset. Let's move to the another asset. Okay, so in this asset, now market is already in the downward direction. Guys, once you will be having a hold on this strategy with the help of overbought and oversold, then you might be able to use this 50 level also, that you can consider, or that you can use as the support or resistance level also. You will find that sometime market is getting stuck on this level when you are using it for a longer time duration. I will try to explain it also, but for now I am just expecting that there will be some price correction and the market will move into the upward direction, and I want to open a trade in the upward. Okay, so one trade in the upward direction. Let's see if the trade go positive, otherwise I will just work. Okay, so this, now I am expecting the market will go down. The reason behind, there was a support level that has been already breached, so I was expecting that market will move into that specific direction. This trade, the last trade which I have opened, that is purely based on the price action. That was not based on the strategy itself. I will try to explain also the strategy, that how the strategy the price level works. Nothing to worry, just give me a quick moment. Okay, so the signal expired on this one. Let's move to the another. Okay, no worries. Okay, so I think there will be a no, the market already moved backward. Okay, so on this one I am expecting that market will move downward because there was a resistance level. Also the market was trying to breach it but was not able to. So till the time a couple of trades were are in the pipeline, let's take a couple of comments. Okay, so first of all, everybody, thank you so much guys for the confirmation, and thank you so much for letting me know that there was some issues in the voice. So that's this is something like which I am always expecting, that if anything is required to be fixed, so that can be. So there is one question from Isaac, that what is the winning rate? Isaac, see, understand one thing, it is not always about the winning ratio or winning percentage. It's also about your money management and risk management. Second thing, it's also about your practice, how well hold you have on this strategy. That is also making a difference. So there is a possibility that the strategy which I am going to use, that might not be going to work good enough for you, or it can be vice versa. The reason behind is that is completely depending on the practice. So make sure you practice it enough before taking it to the live. Animation Storage, very good evening. Okay, so there is a question, sir. Animation Ji, I request you please connect with the support team. They will help you with all your withdrawal concerns, withdrawal limits, and just ask them that on which method you have the maximum withdrawal limit, so you can use that one to make the withdrawal. Azim Ji, I'm so sorry if today's communication is going to be in English, but if you are more comfortable in Hindi and Urdu, so Tuesdays and Thursdays 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we are conducting sessions in Hindi and Urdu on the same channel. So make sure you join us tomorrow also, and make sure guys subscribe the channel before winding up this session, before closing this session, because every now and then we are conducting live sessions on this channel. We are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So it's English, Hindi, Portuguese, Arabic, Thai. So many languages are available here. So whichever you are comfortable with, make sure you explore that specific playlist and explore the channel, just to make sure you work on your trading skills before starting investments. Okay, so Mohammed Rafiq just want to ask that how to make 5-minute trade. Okay, so guys, I will teach you that how this strategy works for 5 minutes also. Let's see. Okay, so one trade was positive, second one was negative. That there was a very short difference, very small difference. No worries. So what I will do, I will just try to make some changes on this strategy. So what I have done, I have just changed the time frame from 5 second to 15 second, and as I have already mentioned it earlier also, so I will be trying to take trade for 3 candles. So I have opted the time frame of 45 seconds. Now you might observe that the number of signals are way lesser as compared to the previous time frame, because now each candle is going to take a bit longer as compared to the previous. So that is quite obvious. But the longer the duration, the lesser the risk will be there, and the second thing, you will be able to use your capital for a longer time period also. Okay, so let's keep on switching the assets, and once I will just increase the time frame for 1 minute or more than 1 minute, then the number of assets will increase also, because there are a couple of assets on which you are not able to take quick trades, but the 1 minute trade time frame and the chart time frame, that is available for majority all of the assets. Okay, so that is the reason that for now only a couple of assets, or like we can open a couple of more composites. Okay, so there was a signal but I have missed it because I was just trying to open a couple of more assets. Let's see if we can work on our accuracy on these assets also. Let me just change the chart time trade time frame also for all of them, because we have to be so quick enough. All we just need to wait for the confirmation, wait for the pop-up, and then we will just open the trade. So that is the reason that we have to be all set. Okay, so signal is there and trade is in the pipeline. Okay, let's see if everything is streamlined on all the assets. So Mooch is already fine, stable is also fine, and Euro USD 1 minute chart time frame. Okay, on this one we cannot take trade for less than 1 minute, so we have to remove this. Okay, so now again we will keep on shuffling our cards, we will keep on shuffling our assets. Okay, so signal, pop up, down trade. Okay, next trade, Okay, so again this reacted as a support and market move into the downward. Let's see, no worries, we will keep on trying. Okay, so once the confirmation, once this crossover will be there, then we will be opening up the trade. Okay, so the candle is about to be completed. This, okay, I'm expecting that the market will move into the upward direction because this level is already breached. Okay, rather than taking any dicey trade, let's keep on shuffling the cards. Let's keep on moving to the another assets, and in the meantime, if we will be getting any signal. And guys, one more thing, I am keep on opening up the trades back to back, but there are no such compulsions and there are no such restrictions on you. All I just need to show you that how the strategy is working, how you can use it, how the signals are getting formed, but you do not have any such restrictions. So please just take one trade, wait for the result. Once the result is there, whether it is profitable, use your money management. Whether it is negative, use your risk management. Just considering that thing, only after that you will be able to use your capital for a longer period. Let me take a couple of more comments. Okay. So Kingdom ji, hello. Dalchon Sangam ji, hello. Geeta ji, I'm so sorry. Hindi sessions are conducted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So I request you, please connect at that time. Animation ji is asking best work 5 second time. Animation ji, this is the only strategy which you can use for the shorter time duration. Even though I will suggest that do not go for very short time duration because that is risky. But there are some traders, those who are very fascinated while using that time frame. So rather than taking some random trades, it's better use at least some technicals. So you can use this. Why do boom and crash sweep quickly? Sir, boom, Alok ji, what kind of market is that? Can you give me some hints about? Alok ji, just tell me one thing, like what is your status on the platform and do you have any analyst? Because the boom and the crash, they work in its in a specific manner, like that is something crispy or something spicy like FTT, but that is available in forex. So there are no such limits that you will be able to make a specific amount of profit or specific percentage. But even while using the forex, you will be having some quick answers, you will be having some quick results. So just let me know if you have, so I will just help you in a better way. So you will be getting more deep dive information about that, how the boom and crash they are working. Very good evening Santosh ji, ITX Kunu ji. How to do amount 10? ITX Kunu ji, please explain your comment. I am not able to get that. Rakesh ji, check title SMART RSI or SMART RDI. Sir, it's RSI. So it's RSI. Okay, so let me try to, okay, how risk-free trade works. Okay, Nitesh ji, let me tell you how this risk-free trades works. So what is the meaning of risk-free trade? So the name also suggests what does it mean. A trade without risk. How it works, let me show you. So it is visible on in this button. Once you click on that one, now just imagine that I want to take a trade with $20. So I have once I'll click on that one, so you will get a cancel button. On up and down you will get a shield. It means that your risk-free trade is ready to be applied. Once any signal will be there, I will take a trade also, and then I will tell you that what is the benefit of that one. This is something very useful, guys. This is something like which can help you to recover your funds also very quickly. And in the meantime, if you will be facing any doubt, negative results, so you will not face the deduction of the fund. Let me explain again. So let me show you. So see, if this trade will go positive, I will get this much of profit as per the 85% calculation. That is going to be the profit which I am going to receive. But in case if the trade will go negative, I will not face any deduction. So that $20 amount which is deducted from my account, I will get the refund instantly. Even at the next second, once the trade will get closed in the negative side, I will get the refund of that one. So that is the best part of the risk-free trade. And if you want to earn risk free trade, the easiest way, keep on moving ahead on the traders way. So if I'll just show you on the traders way, so on the expert step 3 you will be getting RFTs, 5 you are going to get RFTs, 7 you are going to get RFTs, 9 you are going to get RFTs. So the more ahead you will keep on moving on the traders way, you will keep on getting some RFTs, and sometime you will get RFTs with a very impressive, very huge amount also. So make sure you use it wisely. Some conditions are there for the risk-free trade. The first one, there are no expiries. So in case if you are not using it, you can keep it for a longer duration. You can keep it in safe in your account. Whenever there will be some volatility, you can use it. Second thing, you can't divide into small parts. Like in case if you feel that you have a risk-free trade for $5 and you want to open 5 different trade, each trade worth $1, and you want to apply one RFT on all of them, so that is not possible, guys. So in case if you are going to use it for, like, if once you will click on this RFT, so the same amount will be appointed to take the trade. But in case if you will decrease the trade amount and the trade will go negative, you will get a refund of $2 only, and if the trade is positive, you will get the profit on a $2 only. So make sure you use it wisely, and minimum to minimum open trade amount should be equal to the risk-free trade value. So in case if the profit is there, at least you will be able to enjoy the complete, and in case the loss is there, at least you will get the refund of that amount, and of course your RFT will be used properly. You will not be able to open a trade more than that one. Let me show you. So if I'll just try to open, so that will start showing error. So from 1 to 5 only. So that's how the RFT works. Let me show you one more example. Let me try to take a trade, a random trade, because I just want to show that okay, so the market is trying to move upward. I have taken a trade in the downward direction. Just I want to show that what is the benefit of RFT. If the trade will go negative, only then I will be able to show it. Let's see. Okay, there is again a pop-up for the upward trade, but I just want to face a negative trade. Okay, till the time, let me take a couple of more comments. Okay, so Safi 11, sir, if this strategy you are using is not working on most of the assets as you are changing regularly, please give us a strategy working 24/7 for all the assets. See, Safi ji, understand one thing, there are no such strategies which will be working 24/7, and there will be some strategies on which you have to work. All you just need to work on your, okay, so this trade was also positive. Let me take a trade for shorter time duration. All I just want to show you that how this strategy, how the RFT is going to help you. Okay, now okay, again the trade is positive. Sometime when you want to lose a trade, still you are not going to lose it. Okay, so this one, let me show you. So guys, for this trade I have used a risk-free trade. I have opened a trade in the downward direction, market move into the upward direction. So we were supposed to get a loss of $5, but we have got the refund of that. So if you check, +0 and -0 also. Like if I check some negative trades, let me show you. So in this one it's showing -10, but in this one when the trade was positive, so I was getting plus, but in this one there is a +0. So no deductions also, no profit also. That is the beauty of the risk-free trade. So if you are using RFT, if the trade is a negative, you will get the refund of that one. I'm sure everything is clear, and how you can use it, that is also sorted. So let's move back to the live trading again. We will again start shuffling the cards, start shuffling the assets, and we'll look forward. Yeah, so I was talking about one of the comment where I have got the doubt that which strategy will work for 24/7. Guys, there are no such strategies. All you just need to keep on changing the frequencies. Frequency, I mean to say the time frame of the trade. And that is the reason that we are keep on teaching you multiple strategies. So at least you should have hold at least on 2 to 3. So in case if one strategy is not working, you can move to the another. If second is not working, you can move to the third one. That is the reason that multiple strategies are there. Otherwise, there would be only one strategy. Use that one, make profit, and that's it. but there are no such strategies available. If that would be there, of course we would have already shared with you. Okay, so how can I Kiran Naeem ji want to ask, how can I withdraw funds? Sir, all you just need to go to the payments, go to the withdrawal, put all the required details, and you can withdraw the funds. That's it. And one more thing, the method which you have used to make a deposit, only those details you will be able to use to make a withdrawal. Okay, sir, is it okay to use candlestick short pattern? Sir, Safi, you can go for the candlestick patterns also, that is fine, but make sure you have a hold on that one. And if somebody is trying to learn these patterns, so it is not required to learn all the specific patterns, because there are hundreds and thousands of the patterns. But just try to grab a hold on a couple of selected one, those who are keep on getting repeated, like double shoulder or double top, and like there are so many patterns which will you will keep on finding. And you can also work on the candle formation also, guys. So there is chart patterns and candle patterns. You can work on both of them. I have much better knowledge, but due to less capital I am not profitable. I am glad to know, sir, like you have a lot of information, but if you you have a less capital, guys, understand that there are no such scenarios that where you have a less capital. It's also about that how you use your capital. I mean to say, doesn't feel that the capital is very small or you need to work on that one, or there is something like that which has to be fixed or something like that. What I want to say is, work on that capital, try to grow it. Because if just imagine that there is a trader who wants that there should be $500 in his trading account, and then he will be able to make a very handsome profit, and he will be able to make a handsome amount in his capital. But till the time he is not able to make that big deposit, and he is keep on roughly using, or he is without any money management or risk management, he is keep on wiping out his $10, $20, $50 capital deposits. So rather than following that scenario, I'll suggest use that capital wisely and try to grow it till the time you do not have $500 in your bucket to make a deposit. Now there is a possibility that you have made a deposit of $50, you started growing it. After 1 month you got some amount, like you got your salary or from any XYZ sources, you got some funds. Now you are ready to make a deposit of $500, but initial $50 which you have deposited earlier, you used it wisely and you already have made it 300. So now all you just need to add 2 more 100 to make that 500 target and start growing your capital from there. So guys, again I am repeating, there is no such scenarios that your capital is small or your capital is big. It's always about that how to use it. If I'll start taking some aggressive trades, the amount which is visible to you 34,627.39, that will hardly take half an hour or 1 hour to get wipe out. The reason behind is that why I am able to hold this capital from a very long time and I am keep on growing it is my money management and my risk management. I am trying to use it wisely and trying to use it for a longer duration. Okay, so we have taken one trade, the trade went positive. So guys, you can observe that initially the trade which we were taking for 15 seconds, all we have just changed the time frame from 5-second chart time frame to 15-second chart time frame, and the trade time duration we have kept for 3 candles. Even though US market is also open, so there is a possibility that there will be sudden fluctuation. Okay, so Conqueror World Gaming, sir, my account is in USDT, then how can I withdraw the amount in INR? Sir, you can use the USDT wallets to make a withdrawal also, or just withdraw it to the USDT wallet and then transfer to your bank account. Okay, I have much better, but I have please provide me some capital. Angie, I'm so sorry. If I would be able to, of course I would have already helped you, but we are not allowed to provide any capital. I'm so sorry again for that. SRK family ji, what I should take a trade at now in Euro USD market? Sir, please confirm me on what basis you were asking for this question, like whether you have found some signal or anything else. Please provide some capital to me to make good trade. I'm so sorry, sir. If that would be possible, I would have already. If you want again, then I will give you more than, but please provide it. I'm so sorry, sir. This facility is not available. Otherwise, I would have denied. When you're profitable, they don't give Shahzad, there is nothing like that. If you are profitable and you will not get withdrawal, because see, it's a trading platform, so of course there is a possibility that you will be making profits, and and if you have made some funds, of course you will be withdrawing it. So you can withdraw it. Make sure once you raise a withdrawal request, stay calm, keep your funds in stay calm in your trading account. I mean to say that do not start over trading. And the standard time frame for a withdrawal request is 24 hours to 5 working days. So majority of the withdrawal requests, 90 to 95% are requests are processed within 24 hours. So if something is taking time, please stay calm and keep the funds on hold, because once your turn will be there, your funds will be processed. But in case if you will wipe out the funds while doing over trading or while doing some aggressive trading, or thinking that I am not going to receive the funds, and you are going to wipe out, then you are not going to receive anything, because you have already used it for trading. So please, if the funds are there in your account and you are raising a withdrawal request, that will get processed for sure. Okay, so there is I have taken a withdrawal of 50k INR on 27, not received yet. Shahzad ji, please request you to drop an email to support-hi or at olymptrade.com. They will help you with all your trading concerns. Bhanu Prasad ji wants to say that on 30th K deposited on June 10th 24 till now not credited. Olymptrade so many mails forwarded to the support, but useless every time. Single reply that it can take 7 to 8 working days. We will solve. I'm so sorry, Bhanu Prasad ji. Shahzad ji and Bhanu Prasad ji, I request you just drop me your trader ID. Please do not drop. Please avoid dropping your personal information like contact number or email ID. All I just need your trader ID. Once this session is over, I will just forward it to the relevant department. They will look into it. They will give you a call, and then they will give you all the required information, and they will help you with your concerns. I'm so sorry, sir. We are not allowed to send money. Otherwise, we would have already. Daoji want to ask, can you explain in Hindi and Urdu? Daoji, this session is only for the English, in the English. But if you are comfortable with Hindi or Urdu, the best which I can suggest, join us on the same channel tomorrow 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time, because every Tuesday and Thursday we are conducting live sessions in Hindi and Urdu also. Okay, so Kiran Naim, hello, please tell me I play on demo. Sir, what do you want to ask? Bhanu Prasad ji, just share your details. I will just look into it, and support team will do the needful to help you with that. Okay, they will help you with your funds. And one thing I can assure you, your funds are safe. You will be getting it for sure. Kiran Naim ji, please clarify your comment that what exactly you are asking for. I will be trying to help you. Okay, so let me see. Okay, let's try to take one couple of more trades. So signal is there, but I was quite late, so I haven't opened the trade. Let's see if any new pop-up is going to be there. Of course, I will be taking a trade. Market is already in the overbought zone, so I'm expecting that there will be some price correction sooner or later, and once there will be correction, we will try to trade open a trade in the reversal trend. So market is moving into the upward, we will open a trade in the downward trend. And guys, this information for those traders like those who do not have access to the SMART RSI but they want to use the RSI. So the best way you can use this, let me show you that also. Let me tell you that how this strategy is going to help you, how you can use RSI individually also, like whether you are going to apply it with any strategy. So most of the time when the traders, the very common mistake which they are making is, okay, so Bhanu Prasad ji, I got your trader ID. For sure, I will just forward it to the relevant department. And Shahzad ji, I request you, if you are still connected, you can also share your trader ID. They are telling, Mr. Bhanu, they will not give, I know them from 6 years, they will give you more and more time. I'm sad to know that like you are having that mindset, Angie, but his money is safe and he will be getting for sure. Even though I believe I had conversation with Bhanu Prasad so many times, so sir, trust me, nothing to worry. I will just look into that. Okay. So guys, we missed the signal, no worries. So guys, I'll tell you that how the RSI is going to help you to avoid such scenarios, like when you are going to take an aggressive trade or a trade with while following the signal or while following the market. So most of the time when you are opening up the chart, or you are opening the these course, and you are just starting the platform, you are going to start your day. So in case if you are going to open the screen and you are going to see a situation like, let me open that previous asset. Okay, which one that was? Okay, like let's take a roughly example of this one. You can use this RSI if you are going to use it individually. You can use it with 5 also, or I suggest go for 7 or 14. You can use it only with 14 also. So all you just need to focus on, whenever the market is either in the oversold zone or in the overbought zone, and you will observe that there are back-to-back red candles, or there are back-to-back green candles in the market. So majority traders, what they are thinking, that market is keep on moving downwards, so there is a possibility that the market will keep on moving in the same direction for a couple of more candles, and they just take a trade while following the same trend, and suddenly if there is price correction, so the trade is going into the negative side. So RSI and stochastic, they are going to help you to stay away from such scenarios, because when you find that back-to-back red candles are there or back-to-back green candles are there, but the market is already in the oversold zone, so this blue line is already in the oversold zone, so of course we can expect that there will be some price corrections sooner or later. So what we will do, we will avoid taking trades in such scenarios, because we know that there might be some price correction any sooner or later, so the trade can go into the negative side. Reason behind is market will change the direction. So that's how the simple RSI with the frequency of 14, that is going to help you to stay away from such scenarios while following the trend. It will give you an idea that this is not a correct time to follow the trend. So like if I'll take a rough example of this scenario. So if I will open the chart, if a normal trader will open a chart on this candle or on this candle or on this candle, so they will think that the market is keep on moving on the upward direction. The resistance level is also breached, so market can move into the next level. But if I'll try to analyze with the help of RSI, so I can analyze that the market is already in the overbought zone. So this blue line is already above these red level, 70 level, so there can be price correction any moment. If I would have open a trade in the upward direction on this candles, of course that was supposed to go negative. But if I would be opening a trade on the basis of this intersection on this candle on a trend reversal, so the result is in front of you. Again the same scenario, I will not be opening any position till the time there is going to be a price correction, and then I will open the specific direction. Let me see some more comments are there. Okay, I say Kiran MG, whenever there is a signal, all you just need to follow the pop-up and open the trade. If you are using it for lesser than 1 minute chart time frame, the best suggested time frame I can suggest that should be 3 candles. If you are going to increase it for more than 1 minute, like if I just switch from 15 second or 45 second to 1 minute, then I will just increase the time frame from 1 minute to at least 2 minutes. Okay, so there was a sudden moment and there was a signal also. Let's see if the trade will go positive. I have just tried to open a trade for 1 minute also, even though we can expect a sudden volatility also, guys, because US market is already open, so we can assume expect that there will be some sudden volatility, but nothing to worry. It's not like that you can't make profits in the US market. You can. All you just need to stay calm, need to work on your technicals. You need to focus that whether the technicals are working in the same manner they were working in the starting. Okay, so Shantanu sir mentioned some forex strategy in future session. For sure, Shantanu I will try to, like, if you are using the RSI only, or if you are using the triple rebound strategy, which is based on the RSI, so of course you can use it for the forex also. Skim Hex, is it this recorded video? Sir, no sir, I am talking live, so this is a live session. There is a time gap of telecast which lies between hardly 30 seconds to 1 minute, but not more than that. So the only say believe nothing they are going to do. Angie, I know like you need some funds and you but I'm so sorry I denied for that, but that was not possible, otherwise I would have helped you. But to all rest all the traders, that is completely fine, that you will get all your funds. Like if you have stuck any withdrawal or deposit, nothing to worry, support team is there. Skimji, I just opened some trades with same time and everything, but candles are different. Sir, the time gap can be there, so that will be somewhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute. That is the reason that there can be a difference. Okay, Amar Hassan ji, hello. Biren ji want to ask, I added 15 day before yesterday but still not added to account. Also share all the details but still no added, what to do? Biren ji, just stay calm, nothing to worry, your funds are safe. Support team is working on that one. If you have already shared the documents with them, so they must have already raised your task. In case if you want to just get an update, just get in touch with them again and ask them that what is the status of your task. Okay, so they will help you with that one, because sometime if the money is getting stuck in the payment gateway, so the relevant department will fetch it from there till because if the money is getting stuck in the payment gateway, so we are not able to receive that. So once we will fetch it from there, either we will reflect it to the source account, like either that will get refunded or that will get added to your trading account. But one thing I can assure you, your funds are safe and you will get it for sure. Sir, I just opened same trade with the same time duration, but the candle RSI was... Yes, sir. Skim ji, what I am trying to say, so the conversation which I am the words which I am going to tell you right away, that will be delivered to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute. So that is the reason that you will find that there is a difference. Okay. Pirenji, nothing to worry, funds are safe. Chandruji want to say, I have used a diving strategy and Bill Williams fractal oscillator for forex and I am profitable in composite indexes, but in currency the ratio was my 60 to 50. Sir, if you want to Chandruji, if you want to trade on the currency pairs, the best which I can suggest is try to get a hold on market news also. Every now and then some data is floating into the market, so try to grab a hold on that one. You will be able to find a lot of information from that, and you will be able to get some positive results also. And if you want to dive into that, I can suggest you two websites to get some information. The first one is Yahoo Finance, second one is investing.com. You can explore these two websites for the data. Investing.com, just on the top in the middle there is going to be a button with the name of economic calendar. Open that one, make sure you change the time frame as per your time zone and apply a filter for the beginning. Just apply it for the 3 stars. And if you want to know that how that data works, every Monday my colleague Akash, he used to conduct a session on the same channel at the same time, 6:30 Indian Standard Time. So make sure you join that. That session is hardly for 30 minutes, but he is talking about all the upcoming news events, and he is also telling you that how you can analyze it, how you can use it, and what is the effect and which assets are being affected with them. So hardly try to spare 30 minutes, and in case you can explore the previous recorded video also, because like whatever all the sessions which we are conducting, so we are keep on recording them also and uploading in the specific playlist also. So you will be able to find his sessions on all Mondays in an English playlist. Okay, so whom owns money? Our is better. Our is it between traders? No, sir, there is nothing like that. So we are going to we are receiving your money. So nothing like that. I'm just new here. Nothing to worry, sir. Platform is, it's not something like it's very new, like it's a well-known established platform. More than a decade we are working in the market and regulated by the government of Vanuatu, member of Incom, so everything is streamlined, sir, when we trade and when we don't. Atika Shah ji, the best time to trade if you're talking about like as per the strategy, so once the signal is quite fresh and new, you can open a trade. Okay, so we opened 2 trades. One was for 2 minutes and one was for 45 seconds. Both were positive. There were 2 more another trades also. Those went negative. Let's see what was the reason behind. So we try to open a trade in the upward direction at that specific time. Okay, the price corrections were there, even though after a couple of candles this level was breached and market moved into the upward direction, but we have taken a trade on the incorrect timing. Let's see another also. And guys, one more reason behind these back-to-back negative results is also that US market is already open, so volatility can be expected. That was quite expected, that I was expecting that I will be facing some negative results, because when the market is switching from one zone to another zone, so sometime the price correction or the levels are, new levels are getting formed, new trends are being established in the market. So that is the reason that I am also suggesting that as per the Indian Standard Time, if you are trading moving from European to US market from 6:45 to 7:15 or 7:30, I'll suggest take a break or start investing with a small amount, or start observing the market. Is it following the same directions which it was following in the previous session or in the morning Asian session? Birenji, there is nothing like that. We are the regulated by government of Vanuatu, member of FinCom, so everything is streamlined. It's been more than a decade that we have been into the market, so you can trust on us. Sir, what is the trick to gain more profit? Sir, Atik ji, the best which I can suggest you, stay calm when you are making a profit or when you are making losses. Neither get excited or greedy, or do not get pressurized. If trades are going positive, that doesn't mean all trades are going to be in the positive side. So do not invest the complete capital while having some excitement. On the second side, if the trades are going negative, so the next trade can go also negative. So considering that thing, do not keep on investing the same amount. Decrease the amount, try to get a hold on the market, or I'll suggest take a break. After, if my back-to-back 3 trades are going negative, either I am switching the asset or I am trying to move to the demo account. Once I'll be able to get a hold on that one, then I will be able to use my capital again. Okay, Shantanu ji, no worries. Welcome, Khalid ji, very welcome. Tutorial time. Do you have a Discord server? Sir, I'm so sorry, I didn't got like what exactly you are asking. Okay, so I am just going to open one more trade, guys. In the meantime, if you have any doubt, feel free to write me down, because I am just about to close the session. And again, before winding up the session, I have talked about 2 websites also. The first one is investing.com, second one is Yahoo Finance. Apart from that, if you want, if you are new to the trading, if you want to deep dive into the trading and want to learn more, so the best which I can suggest is go to the help, explore this help center and education. You will be getting a lot of information, guys. A lot of information is available. Apart from that, once you are done with that one, then there is one more website which you can explore. The name of the website is Investopedia. So you can follow that, you can explore that website also. Just go to the search. In the beginning, you can go for price action. After that, you can go for chart patterns, candle patterns. And once you will be able to, even you are going to have a hold on the what we call price action, you will be able to make handsome profit or quite decent results on composites. But again, it's not like that you have a hold on price action and you will start investing a lot. Make sure you practice it. Okay, so tutorial time. I want to ask, do you have a Telegram channel or server for your community? Sir, we have a Telegram channel. You can find all the social media availability on of our platform in the description, but we do not give any such signals or something like that. We are not going to share any signal, or we are going to teach you that how these signals are getting formed. So you do not need to depend on me or any of my colleagues. So you will be able to trade on your own. So you will be self-dependent. Okay, last trade was also negative. Nothing to worry. I will try to recover it later on. Even though after that price correction, there was a reversal after a couple of candles, but nothing to worry. I will try to recover all the funds which I have lost, and so far, like there was a success rate of, we can consider it as 50-50 or 60-40, so no worries. So guys, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for sparing your time and being such a lovely audience. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. And before winding up, I request you, please make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so every now and then whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to connect with us and we will be able to help you with your concern. Okay, so guys, stay calm, stay safe, keep practicing, and all the best for your future trading. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. See you. Bye bye. This is your host, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much for your day, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Cheers.